I'm Chantz. We are here at the Moorhead High School Career Academy, and this is my 1970 Chevy C10. I got this thing started in 2017, so I started working on it in 2015. It took me 2 years to put it together. It's kind of become my baby. I don't baby it by any means, but if you see it around, you know I'm the one driving it. I use it in class all the time. If you're gonna bring in something to help the kids learn, it's gotta be something that kind of catches their attention. I show the kids steering, suspension components, because you can see everything. I use it for alignments because you can see everything. You see the physical ball joint move. You adjust the shims. It's not like a modern car with Pearson strut where you can't see it move. You're not trying to guess what an eccentric bolt is doing. See the real thing. That's where I kind of go with this thing. Kind of get them hooked on it. This pickup is far, far from perfect, and that is why I am just fine blowing the tires off of it. In fact, it's probably one of the things I most enjoy about it. This fender right there, if you look on the inside, it looked like spaghetti running down the inside because it's the old school, poke holes in it, make the Bondo stick, just shoved through there. This whole thing needs to be blasted apart and rewired and replumbed. All of the things I've learned over the years, all of the things I've changed. I mean, you can only evolve so far before you're just hacking and twisting wires and all over the place, and it just turns into a rat's nest. Something I really like about this pickup is the interior. It's got really comfy Corbeau A4s. It's got an interesting designed harness hoop with anchor supports to go through the center console instead of door bars because I wanted to be able to get in and out. I want to drive this thing on the street. That's why I built it. I built it to drive it. The engine is a 6.2 out of a 2008 Escalade. The transmission is a 2004 GTO T56. It also has a S1 sequential shifter on top of it. I love the learning aspect of this thing because that's what I use it for. It is a test mule. So all the new things that we want to try out between my friends and I, we're just see what it works. Beat on it, see what breaks. I mean, that's why the motor's apart again. That's what I love about this thing.